Alright, good day guys and welcome to another SMC tutorial video. Alright, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use the Orca Exchange, right? So Orca is an AMM and a decentralized exchange that is built on the Solana Network, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use it, right? So for this video we are going to be using the Phantom wallet, right? You can use any wallet of your choice, but in today's video we're going to be using the Phantom wallet, right? So you can go right ahead and open up your Phantom wallet and fund it with Solana. If you don't know how to do that, there are videos in our channel that will show you how to do that. Probably the link or the button would be added to this video so that you can get access to that. So yeah, once you open up your Phantom wallet, you're going to head over to the browser section, right? And then we're going to type in the URL orca.so. As you can go directly with the URL, or you can just click this, right? But we're going directly with the URL. Alright, so once it opens up, you can see that it has a fairly simple interface, right? The interface is very simple, very it's not too complex, right? It's just there, right? So like I said before, Orca is an AMM, right? I think it's one of the top 3 decentralized exchanges, or top 3 AMMs that is built on the Solana blockchain, right? So we're just going to go right ahead and connect our wallets, connect it to Phantom, right? So if you have any other wallet, or if you're using any other wallet, you can click it here, but then we are using Phantom. We're going to connect our wallet, right? So you can use Orca to buy projects that have liquidity pools with Orca, right? So same with Meteora, same with Radium. These AMMs also have their own process of creating liquidity pools, right? So you can buy into projects if they have liquidity pools that are on Orca, right? And you can also see here that guys they have a provision for you to provide liquidity for PYUSD, which is PayPal's new stablecoin, right? So you can go ahead and provide liquidity, right? So you can see, like I said before, the interface is very simple. You can see your SO, and you can see probably the projects that you want to buy into, right? You can switch this out for any other project. You can see we have PopCat here, we have PayPal USD, we have WETH. These are projects that have liquidity pools with Orca, or liquidity pools down Orca, right? So let's say we want to buy about 0.05 worth of WETH, right? That's easy, right? So you can just do this, and then you just click trade, and then you wait for the trade to execute, right? And then after doing this, just give it a sec, and then you can go ahead to confirm your transaction, right? So I don't want to buy WETH right now, but then I've gotten WETH, right? So yeah, that's basically how it works. I don't want to buy WETH right now, but then I've gotten WETH, right? So it's fairly easy, right? So same thing goes for when you want to sell, right? You can choose the maximum amount, and then you click trade, and then you confirm, and there you go. So it's just as easy as that, right? So here you can head over to settings to check out the slippage, to adjust the slippage to whatever suits you, right? You can also head over to settings at the top here, to change the language, change the block explorer, change the RPC endpoint, probably from an automatic one to probably a custom RPC. You can set the priority fees, right? So the max fee cap here is about 0.01, so this is for a dynamic priority level. You can also go for fast, you can also go for turbo, right? And then whichever one you choose, you can just save the changes, right? You can also head over to this place, right? And you can also proceed to add liquidity, right? So you can provide liquidity for already existing pairs like USDC, PopCat, PyUSD, or you can create your own liquidity pool on Orca, right? Or with Orca, right? So here you can create a splash pool, and you can create a concentrated pool. Now this splash pool is for meme coins and newer projects, right? It is recommended for meme coins and newer projects, while the concentrated pool is to give access to the full suite of pool creation settings, right? This supports both concentrated and full range positions, right? So this is actually the best experience for LPs, and I think this bonds your LP tokens and then gives you a reward over time. That means you can earn from the LP that you've created, right? So we're just going to check out the splash pool, right? It's fairly easy. You have Solana here, and then you have the token, your the token that probably you've created as a developer that you want to add liquidity to using Orca, right? So you can select the token, or yeah, you can select the token, or you can just choose um can't really choose any other project though, because a pool has already been created for that. So you have to go to a new pool, or you have to go to an already existing pool to just add your own quota, right? I'm just going to be using this to create the idea that probably you've launched a project or you've minted a token on the Solana blockchain, right? So it's just fairly easy, right? So you choose the amount of Solana that you want to go with. You just tap it here, and then you preview the pool, and you go ahead to approve the transaction. And that's basically how to add liquidity on Orca, right? So you can head over to more. You can read about their governance, read about their tokens, read about Orca notes, go to their blog about rewards, and so on, right? So when you see probably something like this, a symbol like this on deck screener for a project, it basically means that that liquidity pool is built on Orca, right? And then Orca is really, it's very easy to use, right? I was actually surprised. I was thinking it was going to be this whole complex thing, but then it's actually fairly easy, right? It's fairly easy to use. So you just connect your wallet, buy into projects. But I think I would recommend it more for adding liquidity and probably buying into projects directly when your sniper is not probably integrated with Orca, right? So yeah, I hope you guys have fun trying this out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and if you want to support the channel, be sure to grab a bag of WikiCats that is on the Binance Smart Chain network, right? So like I said before, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.